Words and birds. Let me have some of those words up there. Let's do this. Come on, Wildfire. Let's do it. Oh, come on now. Come on. Up at the top. Pay me some attention. Oh, come on, y'all. Words and birds. What's going on up there at the top now? Got me a little worry here. Let's do it. Okay, thank you. Words and birds, please. Bird, come on, go in Wildfire pocket. You don't have no money. You gotta get it out of Wildfire pocket. Come on, words and birds. Where's your words? Use your words, Wildfire. Use your words. Come on, baby. You got all those words up there. Use some of them. Come on. Words and birds. Words. Come on. Where's your birds? Ooh. Go in Wildfire pocket, bird. Come on. Oh. You cut me off down here. Just cut me off. Just like that. That's sad. Can I get some words up there? Ooh, y'all is sad. Y'all don't even like to give no money. Big money. Come on, honey. You know words, no money, no honey. I ain't got none of it. Give me something good. Ooh. Come on. Tell me something good. Drop that major or something major. Do something major over here. Come on, bird. Why you won't go in Wildfire pocket? You keep going in your little stingy pocket. You ain't got no money. Wildfire got a lot of money. Go in their pocket. Thank you. I take the $2. That's better than the 50 cents. Come on now. I need you to save me now, bird. Yeah, go. Come on, bird. Save me. Oh, no save. Wow. I had all 3 firecrackers. I think you better lay low. $42 for that. Okay.